が閉まります。ご注意ください。
Traveling to Japan this spring 2026? Don't ride trains and buses until you watch this. These tips will save you time, money, and stress. First hack, get an IC card like Suica or Pasmo. This is your all-in-one ticket for trains, subways, and even buses. Just tap in, tap out. No need to buy tickets every time. You can also use it in convenience stores, vending machines, and even some restaurants. It's basically your travel wallet. Better yet, use mobile Suica on your phone. You don't even need to take out your wallet. Just tap your phone and go. Second, don't automatically buy the JR Pass. Prices went up, so it's not always worth it anymore. Only get it if you're doing long-distance trips like Tokyo to Osaka. Japan's train system can be confusing. JR, metro, and private lines are different. Sometimes you'll even exit and pay again when switching. Taking the bus? Some cities require you to tap when you enter, others when you exit, so always check. And in rural areas, some buses still prefer cash. Spring means cherry blossom season, so travel early and expect crowds. Hey everyone! Welcome back to episode 3 of my Japan Find series. In today's episode, we're unboxing some super unique gachapons inspired by Japan's iconic transportation, buses, metro trains, and even the famous bullet trains. These are actually perfect souvenirs you can hunt in gachapon stores all over Japan, especially inside train stations. While we're unboxing, I'll also be sharing some helpful travel tips you should know when riding buses and trains in Japan this spring 2026. First up, this is Yell's bus stop button next to Ping-Pong Gachapon from their 2024 release. I got the yellow vertical version, and it actually works. Let's press it. Honestly, it feels like I'm inside a real Tokyo bus. And speaking of buses, quick tip. In Tokyo, most buses require you to tap your IC card when you enter, and sometimes when you exit depending on the route. So always watch what locals do, it helps a lot. Let's try another one from the same series, but this is their latest release. First, I got the yellow horizontal version, and of course, we're testing it. And also got another vertical version, so let's compare them side by side. They look really similar, but the newer version actually has a more transparent case. Pretty cool upgrade. And here's something interesting. Did you know that in Japan, bus stop buttons are placed everywhere inside the bus so passengers can easily signal where to get off? Unlike in some countries, buses won't automatically stop unless someone presses the button. So yes, this tiny gachapon is actually very accurate.
The last one from our bus collection.
Next, I unboxed this LECIP bus get-off button light Mascot. I got the yellow vertical version again, and it comes with this cute bus stop sign charm. Now let's compare this with the Yell version. This one feels more like the actual button used in buses. Now we're moving on to trains. This is Toy Cabin's Train Departure Bell Switch Collection. I got 3 designs: Cielo Estrelado, JR, SH2, and Kogen.
Next, ito.
When you switch it on, it plays the melody. And when you switch it OFF, doors are closing. Please be careful. That is so accurate. It even includes stickers for the departure bell and song names. And here's a fun fact. Many train stations in Japan actually have unique melodies for departures. These songs are used to signal passengers and even reduce stress during commuting. So yes, those sounds you hear in stations are carefully designed. Next is this Tokaido Shinkansen ticket voice keychain. I got the retro ticket version in baby pink, and it represents actual tickets used from 1987 to 2024. Let's press it. That sound is straight from the Shinkansen experience. And here's a cool fact. The Shinkansen is famous for being one of the most punctual train systems in the world. Average delays are usually less than a minute. That's insane. And finally, this Capsule Plarail set. I got the E5 series Hayabusa. It comes with a 4-car set plus rails, so you can actually build your mini train. And quick Tokyo train tip. During rush hour, trains can get very crowded. So if you want a smoother experience, try traveling earlier in the morning or later at night. Also, always follow platform signs. They're super organized and color-coded. Alright, let's put everything together. And now, let's press them all one by one and enjoy the sounds.
ます。ご注意ください。ドアが閉まります。ご注意ください。ドアが閉まります。ご注意ください。ドアが閉まります。ご注意ください。ドアが閉まります。ご注意ください。ドアが閉まります。ご注意ください。ドアが閉まります。ご注意ください。今日も新幹線をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。この電車は光号新大阪行きです。途中の停車駅は品川、新横浜、静岡、浜松、名古屋。
This honestly feels like a mini Japan transport experience right here. And that's it for today's Japan Finds. If you're traveling this spring 2026, remember, expect big crowds during cherry blossom season. Get your IC card ready, plan your routes ahead, and don't be afraid to explore. And of course, don't forget to check out Gachapon stores. You might find these exact souvenirs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.